So today the topic which we are doing in maths is subtraction. Okay, so let's start our first sum. Okay, so over here question number 1, we have two columns, the tens column and the ones column. Okay, so I will start from the ones column, right? So over here I have 7 and 3. Now how will I subtract it? Now you can see that you have 3. Now 3 is the smaller number. So now I will start counting ahead from my smaller number and I will count till my bigger number. That way I will know what is the difference between these two numbers. Now after 3 comes 4, 5, 6, 7. So I started counting from the smaller number, which is 3, and I counted till the bigger number, which is 7. And can you see how many fingers are open? 4 fingers. That means when I subtract 7, I subtract 3 from 7, 4 is left. So my answer for the ones column is 4. Okay. Similarly, I will solve my ones column. Now over here you can see I have 4 and I also have 4 over here. So from 4, if I am going to subtract 4, what is left? Nothing. So that means I can write 0 over here or I can write nothing over here because 0 means nothing. Okay. So now let's move to the next sum. Now let's do question number 2. Now in question number 2 again I will start from the ones column. Now over here can you see that I have 2 above and I have 8 below. Oh, that means 2 is a smaller number. So how am I going to subtract 8 from 2? So now don't worry. What we are going to do in subtraction, we will borrow 1 from the tens column. So when I'm going to borrow 1, so for example this is my 7. If I'm going to borrow 1 from 7, so that means only 6 is left over here and I have borrowed 1 over here. So can you see I borrowed 1 from the tens column and over here I borrowed 1 from the tens column. So that means 1 from the tens column is equal to 10 ones. So this 1 is equal to 10. So now I have 2 over here. So this means 10 plus 2, this is 12. Okay, I borrowed 1 from the tens column. So this is 1 tens. Okay, so this makes it 12. So now from 12 I have to subtract 8. So again we will use the trick which we used in the previous sum. We will start counting from the smaller number till the bigger number. Right. So let's start counting. After 8 comes 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I will stop at the big number. So I started from 8 and I counted till 12. So that means when I'm going to subtract 8 from 12, 4 is remaining. So I will write my remaining answer over here, that is 4. Okay. Now let's again solve the tens column. I had 7 but I had borrowed 1 from the 7. So I'm left with 6 now. So from 6 I have to minus 2. So again I will start, the smaller number is 2. So we will start counting from the smaller number till the bigger number. So let's start counting. After 2 comes 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wow, again we are getting a 4. So that means the answer we are getting is 44. Okay class, so we have done. Now question number 3 and question number 4 is going to be your homework.